Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see if you are watching YouTube video and you facing the problem, this content isn't available, try again later. So how to fix this problem? Let's come to my laptop screen. I just simply open Google, play here YouTube. And here I personally watch my personal video. So I'm not facing the copyright problem. Look at this here, this content isn't available, try again later. Why this problem is coming? Because of YouTube are updating own policy, YouTube and Google. If you use ad blocker, so this you are not able to watch this video. If you just simply remove ad blocker extension in your Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox or Safari, afterwards you can very easily watch this video. So I just simply click here, 3 line, manage extension, and look at this here. I use here one of the uBlocker extension. If I pause this extension and I watch my personal video in second one, I can very easily play this video and watch. Afterwards I can play any other video, so this problem is not displaying. So this is the simple tips and tricks. If you are facing this problem, just simply remove the ad blocker extension and fix your problem. Hope you enjoy this video. If you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.